Here we go. PUC 150, 3 colors, little flashlight. There we go. Little lights to show your battery power. Little charger port. Turn it on for you guys. She's on the white light right now. And then it goes to red. And then there's your green light. Boy, I love this thing. I'll post up a picture if I can here of when we were ice fishing this winter. Man, this thing is bright. Used it camping. Went up to Jake's Rocks in Kinzu. Used it camping. It was a great little light. This thing, boy, I'll tell you what, this thing is my lifesaver in the woods, in the morning, coming out at night, wherever I'm going. This is what I use. Clip this on my hat. Same deal. You really can't see it in here with the lights on. But boy, this is my go-to. This is always in my bag. Actually, I have like 3 of them. It's awesome. I love these things. Give them a look-see. Hybridlight.com. Man, even if you want to contact the guy, email him, give him your phone number, he'll call you. We talked for a while. He's a real nice guy. Give him a holler. Give their products a look-see. They have flashlights. They have other lanterns. Real good products. Thank you, guys.